If you want to know what the American dream is, let's ask an electrician. That's what we're going to do right now. Please welcome J.D. Groves. He's an electrician right here in Columbus, Ohio.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm J.D. Groves, and I'm from right here in Columbus, and I am an electrician with Local 683. And today I want to talk to you about the American dream, and that's something I know a little bit about. Americans for Prosperity are here today to talk about the American dream. It seems like the American dream is up for bids today. Consider that they want to do away with a bipartisan law that's been in place since the 1930s. A law that requires paying a prevailing wage on public construction projects. Howe was driving down the wages on quality construction and that we rely upon to build our schools, courthouses, roads, and bridges. The American dream. I ask you today, how is that the American dream? It's not. It's not. I have a shot at the American dream, and you have a shot at the American dream, because I was trained by my union to put me where I can make a middle-class wage and support my family. My idea of the American dream is putting me on a project in my local area, helping to build it to stand the test of time, to serve those in my community, and receive fair pay for the work that I do, with health care and retirement benefits. Not long ago, the failures from trickle-down economic policies created hardship for my family. I turned to the IBEW 683 here in Columbus, my local union, to lead the way. They've given me a career that I can rely upon and a future that my family can trust. This is the wage and the lifestyle that my local union has created for me. This is the American dream. My American dream and your American dream is not for sale. Let's defend the American dream through a united call to speak up together. Take on the corporate CEOs who are rigging the system for their benefit, and let working people share in the wealth that we're creating.
All right, JD, thank you.